This one product will transform your toilet. Just one carrot and the end of a problem you probably didn't even know you had. Let's start with the main ingredient, a carrot. You know it well from the kitchen, but few people realize it works perfectly in completely different ways. Here's one of them. Cut a large carrot into smaller pieces, put them in a blender, and add 1 cup of water. Blend until smooth. Then strain through a sieve. Press with a spoon to extract as much juice as possible. Next ingredient, vinegar. Measure about 10 ounces. Vinegar has strong disinfecting properties, neutralizes odors, and removes deposits. Add the vinegar to the carrot juice. Then add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Baking soda acts as a natural cleaner. It whitens and removes stains. Combined with vinegar, it starts to foam. That's the reaction you want. Now add the next ingredient, dish soap. Measure about 7 ounces and pour it in. Mix everything into a smooth solution and pour it into an empty bottle with a dispenser. Use the mixture to coat the inside of your toilet. Let it sit for a while so the ingredients can work, then scrub as usual. The result? A clean, fresh, and deposit-free toilet. This homemade cleaner works better than many store-bought products.